What if I told you there's a camera coming that will completely destroy every single rule we know about photography and filmmaking? Imagine a camera sensor so advanced it acts like two completely different sensors at the exact same time. Imagine capturing video with so much detail and dynamic range that it matches the human eye perfectly. Welcome to Educational Hub. Today we are diving deep into a massive leak that recently set the entire camera world on fire. We're talking about the highly anticipated Canon EOS R5 Mark III. Rumors and leaked drafts of technical specifications have surfaced online. These specs point to a release date a whole year early. They suggest the camera is actually arriving in 2027. The features listed in this leak are absolutely mind-blowing. People are calling it the most insane hybrid camera ever made. We have a massive list of leaked specs that point to a complete game-changer. So grab a snack and get comfortable. We're going to explore everything this amazing piece of technology has to offer. According to this highly detailed leak draft, the Canon EOS R5 Mark III is getting a massive upgrade right at its very core. It features a brand new sensor. This new sensor boasts a resolution of 54 megapixels. That is a very solid jump from the current 45 megapixels found in the Mark II version. Why does this matter? More megapixels mean more detail. It means you can crop heavily into your photos without losing sharpness. You can print massive billboards with crystal clear quality. But the resolution is just the beginning of the story. The biggest question on everyone's mind is about the shutter. People want to know if Canon is finally giving us a global shutter. The answer in this leak is a revolutionary yes. But it comes with a brilliant twist. What is a global shutter? Let me explain. Most cameras use a rolling shutter. A rolling shutter reads the image data from top to bottom. It scans line by line. This takes a tiny fraction of a second. But if your subject is moving extremely fast, this causes a big problem. The subject moves while the sensor is still reading the lines. This creates nasty distortion. Straight lines look bent. Fast subjects look warped. A global shutter fixes this completely. It reads the entire sensor all at once. Every single pixel is captured at the exact same time. There is zero distortion. But standard global shutters have a major weakness. They're usually very bad in low-light situations. They lose dynamic range. They create more ugly digital noise. The leaked specs for the Canon EOS R5 Mark III claim to fix this impossible problem. Canon has reportedly developed a hybrid global shutter sensor. This is based on actual real patent data. This new technology acts as both a global shutter and a traditional rolling shutter. It does this within the exact same frame. Imagine you're shooting a picture of a fast bird in flight. The bird is flying against a static background like a mountain. The camera reads the fast-moving bird using the global shutter process. This completely eliminates any motion distortion on the wings of the bird. At the exact same time, the static mountain background is read using the rolling shutter process. This preserves the maximum image quality. It keeps the beautiful low-light performance intact. You get the blistering fast speed of a dedicated sports camera, but you do not sacrifice the beautiful low-light sensitivity you expect from a premium 5 Series Canon camera. This technology alone would change photography forever. This incredible hybrid sensor is paired with a brand new processor. It uses the new Digic 2 image processor and the Digic Accelerator version 2. Together, they unlock absolute magic for dynamic range. Dynamic range is the camera's ability to see details in the brightest highlights and the darkest shadows at the same time. The spec sheet claims the R5 Mark III will push up to 18 stops of dynamic range. This happens when you shoot in RAW or use the brand new Canon Log4 picture profile. Capturing 18 stops is a huge deal. It means you are recording light and shadow detail at the exact same level as the human eye. Most top-tier cameras today max out around 14 or 15 stops. Jumping to 18 stops means your videos and photos will look incredibly natural. You will never have to worry about blown-out skies or crushed black shadows ever again. Everything will be perfectly balanced. To keep all of this perfectly in focus, Canon is introducing a new autofocus system. It is called quad-pixel autofocus with predictive directional phase sampling. The tracking capabilities are getting borderline futuristic. Imagine shooting a fast-paced football game. The camera can now lock onto a subject based on who has possession of the ball. The AI inside the camera understands the game. It knows the ball carrier is the most important subject. It automatically shifts focus to that person. The leak even mentions something called RF tag tracking. This hints at an incredible new system. It suggests you can physically tag your subjects for flawless tracking accuracy. Think about something like a tiny Apple AirTag. You could put a small tag in the pocket of an actor or an athlete. The camera sensor will perfectly track that exact tag, no matter what gets in the way. It is a foolproof way to never lose focus. Burst shooters and sports photographers are going to love the insane speed upgrades. The R5 Mark III pushes burst shooting to an unbelievable 40 frames per second. It does this using the electronic shutter. Now, many cameras can shoot fast, but they usually stop after a few seconds because the internal memory buffer gets full. The R5 Mark III fixes this. Because of the incredible new sensor and blazing fast memory card slots, you can shoot forever. The camera uses dual CF Express 4.0 type Beat Gen 4 card slots. These are the fastest memory cards on the planet. You can shoot those 40 frames per second in RAW format for an unlimited amount of time. You just hold the shutter button down until your massive memory card is completely full. Those ultra-fast memory cards can sustain incredible write speeds. They can write data at over 3.1 gigabytes per second. This is faster than most high-end computer hard drives. This massive speed translates heavily into the video specifications. The video specs are absolutely wild. The Mark III doubles the capabilities of its predecessor. It allows you to shoot massive 8K RAW video. And it can shoot that 8K video at up to 120 frames per second. That means you can get buttery, smooth slow motion in incredibly sharp 8K resolution. This is Hollywood-level cinematic quality in a small mirrorless body. If you decide to drop the resolution down to 4K, the frame rates get even crazier. You can shoot 4K fine detail video at 120 frames per second. Or you can shoot standard 4K at a buttery, smooth 240 frames per second. That gives you extreme slow motion for action sports or dramatic cinematic sequences. It even claims to shoot 1080p full HD video at up to 480 frames per second. That is freezing time level of slow motion. For professional filmmakers, Canon is packing this camera body with amazing high-end tools. It features open gate recording. Open gate means the camera records using the entire physical size of the sensor. It does not crop the image at all. This gives you a taller video file. It is perfect for modern content creators. You can shoot one video and crop it wide for YouTube and vertical for TikTok without losing any quality. The camera also includes professional exposure tools like EL Zone, waveforms, and vector scopes. These tools help filmmakers get the absolute perfect lighting every single time. It also records internal Apple ProRes 422 LQ and HQ. This means the video files are ready to edit instantly. You do not need to convert them on your computer first. They play smoothly on almost any modern editing software. But wait, because the features get even better. If you shoot video outdoors, you know the struggle of using ND filters. You constantly have to screw dark pieces of glass onto the front of your lenses to block out the bright sun. Say goodbye to screwing filters onto your lenses. The R5 Mark III reportedly features internal physical ND filters built right into the camera body. With the flick of a button, a tiny piece of dark glass drops down inside the camera behind the lens. It offers up to 6 stops of internal ND. It is even expandable digitally up to 10 stops. This saves filmmakers massive amounts of time. You do not need to buy different sizes of filters for every single lens you own. You just press a button and your exposure is perfectly controlled in bright sunlight. This is a massive leap forward for solo creators and run-and-gun documentary shooters. With all this incredible processing power and massive internal hardware, the camera will naturally generate a lot of heat. High frame rate 8K video USU. Ally causes cameras to overheat and shut down. To handle this heat, the camera introduces a brilliant new thermal architecture. It features physical airflow gates built into the body. Imagine tiny vents on the camera. In the blazing heat of summer, these gates automatically open wide. They allow maximum airflow to dissipate the warmth and keep the processor cool. But if you take the camera to a freezing, snowy mountain, those same gates automatically close. They trap the internal heat to keep the camera warm and functioning. Canon is also allegedly releasing a highly insulated winter grip. This special battery grip contains a massive 5,000 milliamp battery. It is designed specifically to keep the camera and the batteries perfectly warm in sub-zero winter temperatures. Rounding out the physical body, the camera gets a fantastic redesign. It gets a slightly larger and heavier shell. This helps balance the camera when you use very large, heavy lenses. The body is made of a brand new advanced material called magnesium dominium. This material is incredibly strong but relatively lightweight. On the back of the camera, you get a fully articulating LCD screen. This screen packs a massive 4.2 million dots for extreme clarity. It also features a new 5-axis tilt mechanism. This is just like the amazing screen found on the Sony A7 III. It lets you flip the screen out to the side, or just tilt it up and down while it stays directly behind the lens. Looking through the camera is also a treat. You get a stunning 10 million dot electronic viewfinder. This EVF runs at a blazing fast 240 Hz refresh rate. It is completely blackout-free. When you shoot massive burst photos, the screen never goes dark. It looks exactly like looking through a real piece of glass. The camera also solves all the major connectivity problems. It features a full-size HDMI port. This is much stronger and more reliable than the flimsy micro HDMI ports on older cameras. It features not one, but 2 USB-C ports. This allows you to charge the camera while also plugging in an external hard drive to record your huge 8K video files. Naturally, it also includes a dedicated microphone jack and a headphone jack, so you can monitor your audio perfectly. With all these revolutionary features, you might be wondering about the price. The price for this ultimate hybrid camera is expected to sit north of $4,199. For everything this camera offers, that price actually sounds like a bargain. It sounds like the perfect camera for every single type of creator. Now, if all of this sounds a little too perfect to be true, you are right. If it sounds a little too early and a little too futuristic, there's a very good reason for that. If you followed the original source of this leak right to the very end, you would find out the truth. This entire spec sheet was actually an elaborate April Fool's joke. Canon is not actually dropping an 18-stop hybrid global shutter or 5 Mark III just yet. It was a brilliant prank that fooled a massive amount of people across the entire internet. It was so believable because the person who created the joke did their homework. They mixed actual real Canon patents with a wish list of dream specifications. For example, the hybrid global shutter is a real patent that Canon has actually registered. The internal physical ND filters for mirrorless bodies are also real patents. The joke just combined all these future technologies into one fake camera release. Even though this was a prank, it highlights something incredibly important about the camera industry. It highlights exactly what the market desperately wants right now. Consumers are getting tired of small, incremental upgrades. They want massive leaps in technology. Integrating internal NDs into a mirrorless body is the next logical step for true hybrid workflows. Video shooters have been begging for this feature for years. The hybrid global shutter is also the holy grail of digital imaging. While these specific specs were a prank for now, they serve as a very accurate roadmap. They show exactly what Canon might actually need to deliver by the year 2028 to stay competitive. Other companies like Sony are already pushing global shutters into their cameras. Canon cannot afford to fall behind. This fake spec sheet might just be a preview of the very real future. In my best opinion, this product concept is a masterpiece of consumer feedback. Even though the R5 Mark III with these exact specs isn't real Toda. Why? It represents the pinnacle of camera evolution. The idea of a hybrid sensor that fixes the low-light issues of global shutters is pure genius. If Canon can actually manufacture that patented technology, they will instantly dominate the market again. Adding internal ND filters to a standard mirrorless body will destroy the need for dedicated cinema cameras for a huge portion of independent filmmakers. My opinion is that Canon needs to take this joke very seriously. They need to look at how excited the internet got over these fake specs. People were ready to hand over their money instantly. If Canon wants to win the next decade of the camera wars, they need to turn this April Fool's joke into a reality as soon as scientifically possible. The demand is clearly there, and the technology is currently being patented. It is only a matter of time. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the camera tech of the future here on Educational Hub. We love bringing you the most exciting news and breakdowns of incredible technology. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that.